Now we cover the importance of PMP for civil engineers. Civil and construction projects are one of the most complex and mostly used PM environments globally. And PMP makes you an ideal leader. Having a formal certification will obviously give more credentials to your CV. Uh, we start with basic construction projects involving obviously they have massive stakeholder networks, and PMP teaches how to structurally engage all of these stakeholders into the project. And then we have costs overruns and scheduled delays are an industry-wide problems. And the risk management skills of a PMP certified individual is really useful in times like these. Then there is EPC and infrastructure firms that specifically look for PMP certification in project directors, and also international infrastructure projects, especially in Gulf countries and UAE and Singapore. They also demand PMP certified on-site project managers. The salaries and career roles in this in civil engineering for PMP certification holders are construction project manager. This will get you a salary of about 15 to 35 lakhs per annum. An EPC project director, which will give you a salary of 25 to 50 lakhs per annum. An infrastructure and PMO head, which will give you a salary of 35 to 55 lakhs per annum. And an international site project manager, which will give you a salary of about 40 to 70 lakhs per annum. Now we'll see PMP for people who are in pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. Basically, in these industries, clinical trials, drug launches, and hospital expansions are all really complex projects that require a PMP expert to give you the framework to lead them. Clinical trial management has a very strong and strict scope, timeline, as well as budget requirements. And PMP is covers all of these required skills. Then there is regulatory compliances in the pharma industries, which are very complex and tedious. These also align perfectly with PMP governance and audit skills. Then we have hospital expansion projects, which are also required by the pharma and healthcare professionals, which will be very helpful if you have a PMP. It will be very helpful to do these types of roles with a PMP qualification. Also, global pharma companies such as Cipla, Dr. Reddy's, they all hire PMP certified project leaders. The salary and career roles you can get in this industry using the PMP certification are clinical project manager, which will get you land you a salary of about 18 to 38 lakhs per annum. An R&D program manager that will land you a salary of about 22 to 44 lakhs per annum. A hospital operations project manager will land you a salary of 20 to 40 lakhs per annum. And a pharma PMO director will land you a salary of about 35 to 60 lakhs per annum. Now we'll cover PMP for operations and manufacturing. Basically, managers and manufacturing leads run projects every day. That is their everyday job. And PMP formalizes and supercharges this leadership. These people who are already in these leadership roles. So production upgrades and capacity expansions, lean initiatives, all of these are PMP relevant projects, and a PMP will really help with these skills. Also, supply chain disruptions require a lot of risk management discipline and skills that PMP builds. And also, operations leads with PMP command premium salaries in automotive, especially in automotive, FMCG, and electronics. Then we have Six Sigma plus a PMP combination is one of the highest paying profiles in manufacturing. Now we'll see the salary and the career roles which you can get in operations and manufacturing with a PMP. First is operations project manager, which will land you a salary of about 15 to 32 lakhs per annum. Then we can go for a supply chain project manager, which will land you a salary of about 18 to 36 lakhs per annum. Then you can go for manufacturing PMO lead that will land you a salary of 28 to 48 lakhs per annum. And finally, we have the plant head or ops director, which will give you a salary of about 38 to 58 lakhs per annum.